Hello washing machine enjoyers, I'll show you how to clean the filter on your Siemens washing machine step by step. You may ask why. Cleaning the filter regularly helps your machine drain properly, prevents bad smells, and can even avoid costly repairs. Let's get started. Don't forget to unplug it from the outlet. Before anything, you want to prepare your working area. If you're doing this outside or in a garage, I wouldn't worry too much. But if you're doing it inside, you definitely need something that will collect the water that will pour out. First things first, you need something you can stick in the hole to open it up. In my case, I use some set of keys. After you've taken off the cover cap, be ready to unscrew the real cap that's keeping all the juices in and see them pour out. After that's finally done, we can fully take out the cap, and now it's time to clean it. For the job, you will need a bucket where you can put some water in so you can submerge it and clean up some stuff that way. You'll need some dish soap and lastly, a toothbrush. Obviously, don't use your own. Get your roommate's or something. He will definitely not notice it. Trust me. And start scrubbing. After that's done, you wanna set it aside and get to the hole. You'll want to take a cloth or toilet paper and just dig in. You wanna go inside and try to dig out everything you can get. All the gunk, all the mud, everything that's inside. After that, you wanna take back the screwable cap and screw it back in. Just make sure you do it right and tight enough, because if you leave any small gaps, obviously the water will flow out, so be careful. Then we can do a little quick wipe and just put the plastic cap on again. As you see, you've done it. Congratulations. Now you're again ready to stuff it full and wash some clothes. Let's go at it.